I'm working on the base of that the sawmill will be setting on, the tracks will be setting on this. And you can think of this like as a railroad track. This would be like a tie. This is going to go across between, second here, between two 2x6s, one like this, one like that, and this will go across between them, and the 2x6s will set on this, and the track for the system will sit on top of that. All right, let me take you over here and show you this. I'm going to build it up in my trailer. So I have pieces cut already. You can see how they're going to go across. This is upside down right now. These are just extra ones. There'll be there's two sets of rails, so we'll move these out of the way for now. I'll build one set at a time. I have to look at my measurements, but they're going to be back in about 10 inches. Well, it's just after 8 o'clock in the morning, which is the best time to work. The morning is, because it's nice and cool this time of year. But the sun's already hitting me and warming me up. So I need to decide where these go. I'm thinking about 15 inches back in would be a good place to start on the other end. Keep an eye on my little dog here. Well, that's telling me that my battery is low. Well, here's a fresh battery. We'll see how that does a little better job. So Piper was complaining about being left in the house this morning. You okay, baby? So she wanted to come out with me. She is, well, I don't know if she's totally blind. I think she sees light. She'll, when she goes up to stuff, she seems to notice it just before she runs into it, and sometimes is able to stop before she hits it, but if she gets moving too fast, another story. Okay, baby, I'll keep my eye on you. Yeah, I'm right here. I'm right here. So we're going to put some middle supports in here. Oops. That didn't work very good. Base, approximately 20 foot long. I didn't measure these. They're supposed to be 10 foot 4x6s, but I know that 4x6s are kind of held to a rough dimension, so they're at least 10 foot long, and probably a little more. Well, it's afternoon now, and so I've got the second one all done. So, next step is to take this out and put it where it goes. Turn it right side up so these are against the ground. Level it all up and start installing the track. But that'll be another day because Laura needs my help doing some other stuff right now. So we'll be back at it. Now the trick is going to be to get it lined up where it should be. I don't know where that is yet. Then to get it level off and start building the track on top of it. I can see it's far from level right now. Well, I know this probably seems pretty slow, but I am 75 years old and I got lots of other stuff to do. So anyway, thanks for watching. God bless and have yourself a wonderful day. Next time we'll have the base leveled, I hope, and start installing this track. Not sure that we'll get to the mounting the head, but maybe we will. So anyway, God bless. See you later. All right, next job.